POCUS Neo and NeoPeds Academy invite you to Toronto for an innovative conference and workshop. Learn state-of-the-art management of neonatal respiratory failure with extreme precision. Built on high-fidelity simulation and interactive case scenarios, don't miss the chance for an extraordinary workshop. Meet and hear from world-class specialists and experts on management of neonatal respiratory failure and hypoxemia. The hands-on workshop will give you an immersive experience in NICU cases. Review complex cases with individualized feedback systems. You will get the chance to use the first-of-its-kind virtual NICU simulator built by POCUS Vision. Learn how to approach real case scenarios to achieve the best clinical outcomes with faculty guidance. The NICU simulator has real-time data and monitors including NIRS, ventilator settings, X-rays, labs, and more to help you learn every step of managing each case. Participants will be provided with AI simulator labs, which includes innovative mannequin simulators to practice neonatal lung and heart point-of-care ultrasound. Join us to transform the way neonatal care is delivered. Visit our website to register now.